Hi, how are you?
I am fine. How about you?
So welcome.
Thank you.
Last time we met, I had asked you to join our Acumen 2025 program, but probably you didn't like us. And did you join
Yes, I
some coaching?
remember. And yes, I joined a famous coaching center over here.
A famous coaching.
Yeah.
So you must have paid a lot,
Around a lakh.
around a
Yes.
lakh to get into the NLU. Okay,
Yes.
so that's the cost of education these days. So now, are you sure what you have to do, because there are 40 days left for the exam, and in this 40 days, if you don't study, the entire money will go waste?
I do have some clue, but if you can guide me.
Okay, even if you are not a student of Acumen 2025, I'll give it for free because I believe that education is not something to be sold.
Yes.
So आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना, कुछ करना है लेकिन.
Okay.
So what you have to do is give 6 hours
Okay.
for the next 41 days, whatever is left for the CLAT exam.
Okay.
उस 6 hours में I'll just give you the breakdown. 2 hours will go in giving the mock test,
Okay.
which you would have given few of them, right?
Yes.
Okay. And mock test will take 2 hours every day from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. you must attempt.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. And after that, it is the analysis of the mock test. And in the analysis part, you have to find out your weaknesses, your strengths, which section took more time. You know,
Okay.
there are some errors which happen in quantitative techniques. So those formulae which you forgot maybe, so all that. And so you have to spend that 1 hour, because unless you spend 1 hour on analysis, the mock tests are not going to be of any help.
Okay.
So 3 hours gone, then you have to practice quantitative techniques for 1 hour.
Okay.
That could have maybe 60 questions, because one question needs 1 minute. That's what you are given. और यहाँ पे it's very crucial because बहुत सारे लोग इस section में पहुँच नहीं पाते हैं
Okay.
while solving the papers. I mean, you would have felt it, right? तुमने जब
Yes.
mock दिया था तो पहुँचते पहुँचते time is less, right?
Yes.
So 1 hour to QT, I mean quantitative, and then you have to do passages of English language, of legal aptitude, of logical reasoning and GK, and
Okay.
do 5 passages every day and do it in a timed manner. So एक passage पे आपको जो 5 पैसेज हैं एक सब्जेक्ट के, उस पे 30 मिनट्स लगने चाहिए.
Will this surely help me?
या सो यहाँ पे आपको देखिए 4 सब्जेक्ट के 5 पैसेजेस, दिस मेक्स इट 2 आवर, या राइट. So 2 + 2 + 1 + 1, 6 hours is what you need, and this is basically focused work. This is not something which is, you know, you randomly you are doing. This is your focused work. In case you have some other hours, some more time to spare, you can definitely give it. However, this is the basic minimum, and this should see you through the exam.
Thank you so much.
So I hope it will help you,
Yes.
and we will see you at the NLUs.
Okay.
very
I'll
soon.
try to get on to this.
Okay.
And I will let you know
Right.
how thoroughly I'm working on this.
Great, great.
Okay.
So thanks.
Thank you.